In front of me is Apple iPad mini from 2021, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then go to Wallpaper tab and choose a new wallpaper right here. And now you can either pick some from your own photos right here, or you can pick one from the default pictures. So let me pick one from dynamic wallpapers. For example, this one. This is how it will look like. If you'd like to make it your home screen, just tap on Set, and then decide if it should cover your lock screen, home screen, or both of them. Let me pick it for lock screen. And then let's change home screen to some still wallpaper. Just click on still, and let me pick, for example, this one. This is how it will look like. Tap on Set then, and choose home screen if it's for your home screen. And as you can see, from now on, your home screen has been changed, and so was the lock screen of yours. Here it is. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.